It looks like Apple isn't trying to be budget-friendly after all with their next flagship. OnePlus keeps teasing the OnePlus 6 as we get closer to a supposed launch date. We get a new affordable gaming phone from Xiaomi. It's called the Black Shark. I'm Jaime Rivera, and happy Friday the 13th. Tell us your horror stories that go beyond the typical traffic story of your city. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. I know that the Google Pixels from the last generation were horrible. They still are, but they're currently on sale for $229 if you're looking for the small one. You go for the XL for $240. I continue to state that these phones they're horrendous, but their capabilities are so awesome, I would highly suggest you consider it. Now, let's talk about Apple as iOS 11.3 is out, and we know people are dealing with display issues, but the other thing is, you can now tell if you need a battery replacement or not. So, the company is actually doing a crazy amount of things to ensure that they'll be able to meet demand, because for $29 you can get a new battery, and the company is actually hiring third parties and people to help out to be able to replace your battery on the spot when you go to an Apple store. I would highly suggest you do so. Let's see how that goes. Now, let's talk about Xiaomi, as the company has made its Black Shark gaming smartphone available. You can now get it at JD.com. We've got interesting specifications. This is a gaming phone. There's a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. There's, decent specs like 64 gigs of ROM, etc., etc. Yeah, it has said ROM. I haven't used that word in a while, but that's the same thing as storage. Price tag, $480, and this is significant. I mean, I don't know how Xiaomi does this. I mean, the controller is just $29. Everything, as you use the word, it's just because it's so affordable. I can't wait to get it in the labs and tell you more about what it's truly capable of, because apparently there's even a button for performance mode. Oh yeah. And for those of you wondering about the OnePlus 6, the company has just posted a teaser where there's a OnePlus 5T, and under it there's the 6. It seems a little larger, and apparently there's this curve that shows that there's glass instead of the aluminum that we typically see. So I'm expecting this phone to look a lot like the Oppo R15 Pro, which I actually like, and I know that I owe you that video. I'll get you that very soon. But yeah, let's see exactly what we get. Avengers Infinity War, that's the date for us to know more, I think. We'll keep you posted. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with Apple and its strategy for pricing with the future iPhones. Well, we heard many rumors weeks ago that the company was going to drop the price of the next iPhone. The R&D was already done, so let's not continue killing the iPhone X as it has with the current price. But we've got some trusted sources that are claiming that no, that there is one of these variants that's at least going to cost $1,100. And the number is not really crazy, because if you think about it, the 256 gigabyte iPhone X is costing that amount, if not more. But then again, I don't know, is this smart or not? In today's question, let us know. What do you think? You think that Apple can continue playing with these price tags, or do you think that the company needs to be more aggressive? And I know that you're sensing the sarcasm. Apple, I think you need to drop the price. Come on, it's a phone. Why are we charging so much money? It costs more than your typical computer that has a ton more hardware. But that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Really? Somebody just turned on their Harley Davidson. Just get out of here with your damn bike, man. You want to laugh? I ran out of memory card space. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our review of the iPhone X down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.